Hey everyone, welcome back to Idea Electro. I'm your host, and today we are learning a fun way to spice up your chat on iPhone or iPad. In this video, we'll show you how to send iMessages with awesome effect like firework, confetti, and more. iMessage, Apple messaging platform since iOS 10. Lets you add personally and emotion to your text, making your conversation way more engaging. So let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure you are using an Apple device running iOS 10 later, like an iPhone 5 or newer, any iPad supporting iOS 10 Plus, or an iPod Touch. Both you and your recipient need iMessage enabled to see the effect. Otherwise, Android user will just see a text description like sent with balloon. To check your iOS version, head to setting, general, then about. First thing first, let's learn how to enable iMessage on your device. It's super simple. Open the setting app, scroll down to app, then tap message. Toggle on the iMessage button down. Now, let's have some fun with bubble effect. These add a cool animation to your message bubble itself. Here's how. Open the message app on your iPhone or iPad. Pick a conversation with another iMessage user or start a new one. Type your message in the text field. Instead of just tapping the green send arrow, press and hold it. You will see the effect menu pop up. Make sure bubble is selected at the top. Choose from 4 options: slam, loud, gentle, or invisible ink. Tap the circle next to each to preview it. Once you have picked your favorite, hit the send arrow to deliver your message with that bubble effect. Next up, screen effect. This take over the entire screen for a big, bold impact. Here's the step-by-step. Open the message, go to your conversation, type your message in the text field, press and hold the green send arrow until effect menu appears. Tap screen at the top. Swipe left to check out the option echo, spotlight, balloon, confetti, love, leisure, firework, or celebration. You will see a real-time preview as you swipe. Pick the one you love, then tap the send arrow to share it. Pro tips. Some effect like echo and spotlight need iOS 11 or later, so make sure your device is updated if you want the full range of effect. That's it. You are now ready to make your iMessage pop up with personality, whether it's celebrating with conflict or adding a mysterious invisible link vibe. These effects are a game changer for your chat. Thanks for watching Idea Electro Farm. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more tech tips. Got a favorite iMessage effect? Drop it in the comment below. We did love to hear from you. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.